Alright, Susie, this is how I make my famous flatbread buns.
They're very famous.
I first get a nice cookie sheet, spray it with some olive oil pan. Then I crack 4 eggs. Stir them up real good. Try not to slosh them out. Okay, so once those are stirred up real good, then I use almond flour. Almond flour. And I need 4/3 of a cup. 1/3. One. 2. 3. 4. And I need 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And 1 teaspoon of sea salt. Now, you can just leave it like that, but I like to add a little flavor, so I add Italian seasoning. And I usually just put 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, but plenty.
I
Now,
need to use the same teaspoon for all of those without cleaning it.
all dry ingredients. Okay, then you give this a good stir till all the almond flour is wet. Like that. You kind of want it smooth so that it spreads out nicely on your pan. Then we need to add some oil. So I always add, let's see, what is it? 150 milliliters, which is just under 2/3 of a cup. And you can use either olive oil or avocado oil. I use olive oil because it's a little cheaper than avocado oil, and it still tastes good, especially with the Italian seasonings in there. A little bit more. Okay. Put that in there. Seems like a lot of oil, but good fats are good for you. So oil is a good fat, and we want lots of it. And stir that up.
But not vegetable oil, right?
No. Do not use vegetable oil. That will be yucky and very bad for you. Clog up your arteries really bad. You could use avocado oil. You could use, like I did, olive oil. You could use, what are the other oils, Gracie?
Why would I know?
Coconut oil, like the liquid kind of coconut oil. I've never tried that, but I suppose it would work, but that's kind of expensive, so I don't recommend it. Okay, once that's all stirred up in there, I hear something whistling. That's or something else I'm making. Ignore that. Then I get my spatula. Here it is. And this is the fun part. You get to spread it all over your nice thing. At first, when I first started making this, I used to put parchment paper down because I was afraid that it would stick to the pan itself. And it depends on your pan. Your pan might stick, so if I were you, I would maybe try parchment paper. Just to make sure, and then you spray the parchment paper before you put this on here. But I found that this does not stick to my pan. I don't know if it's because my pan is so seasoned. Good. So why waste the parchment paper? The oven is 300, which I forgot to start, but you won't forget, right? Beginning started at 300, so it'll be all ready to go. And then you just put it in the oven at 300 for about 15 minutes and take it out. It should be, kind of bubbling a little bit and solid, of course. And you're done. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. Time to check. Let's see if they're done. Ooh. Can you come closer? Look at the bubbles. If you listen carefully, you can probably hear them. Shh. I hear bubbles. Okay, that means it's done. Yay! So we take it out. See how it's a little bit golden right there? It's perfect. They're done. Oh, you're done with your soup. Okay, good. Okay, so now all we have to do is cut them. And I just use a very small little knife. And we like to cut ours in thirds. And then eighths. Or something like that. Let's do sixths. I change it every once in a while. Look at different size buns. Like that. And then you just kind of lift up the edge. All done. See how easy that was? You can do it. I know you can do it. See you later.